Now we're going to talk about political situations and how they affect marketing. The political relations between a firm's country of headquarters or other significant operations and another one may become a major issue. For example, oil companies which invested in Iraq or Libya became victims of these countries' misconduct that led to bans on trade. Similarly, American firms may be disliked in parts of Latin America or Iran where the U.S. either had a colonial history or supported unpopular leaders such as the former Shah. Some countries have relatively unstable governments whose policies may change dramatically if new leaders come to power by democratic or other means. So, not just the relationship between countries, but the relationship of the government and how stable it is.